Hey there, this is K4A, knowledge for all educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn how to clear a layer in Autodesk SketchBook. You do that by clicking on this icon here, the fourth in the row of these 5 icons, and if you hover over it, it should say clear, or in the brackets there is a shortcut is delete. The whole idea here is that when you have something on your layer which is drawn, sketched, and you don't need it, but you don't need everything on that layer, sometimes you want to clear it at once with very fast. So this button does that. So for example, if I draw, I don't know, something crazy, I try to I'm drawing in my top layer, so it's above everything else, maybe some effects or whatever, or some guy came and sit down and started fooling around. All you have to do is click on this button, clear, and you will get your layer clear. So you will use it probably in some of the beginning stages of your drawing, when you try to sketch some kind of silhouette. So for example, and you're not satisfied, like for example like this, I don't know what this is, some kind of animal, horse, blah blah blah. No, let me start again. But again, it's very important to understand that even though you have some kind of maybe good drawing or sketch at that same exact layer, but in top left or top right corner like this or whatever, it will be all deleted, all cleared. Why? Because you use this function, this icon clear, this image which says clear everything, clear all, delete all. I will now press delete button on my keyboard just to try to see. Yeah, it does the same effect. So that's it for this video. This one was very simple, finally one short video, but again, it depends on you. Are you going to use it in your workflow or not? Maybe you like some of those, maybe you don't. Clear it, and that's it. See you in next one. This one was really fast. Thanks for watching.